C chord. And the C chord is, I don't know, it's quite similar to the G chord in some respects. We're going to still use the second finger and the third finger, and we're going to move them across, as you see from the diagram. Okay, so our third finger is now at the third fret of the A string, or the fifth string, and our second finger is now at the second fret of the D string, or the fourth string. We're not using the little finger, but we are now using the first finger, and the first finger goes on the first fret of the B string, or the second string. Okay, and if you look at the diagram, you'll notice that on the bottom E string there is an X, and this X means don't play this one. And you should have something like this. So we're just going to strum that one a few times. So 1, 2, 3, 4.